We're gonna show you now where the show's gonna be at.
I would love to get to 500, you guys. This is actually the 10th year of Foxtoberfest.
If you love Fox bodies, you have to come out. What are the actual dates for Foxtoberfest this year?
The dates for Foxtoberfest this year are...
Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and I am in the middle of driving. We are headed to the location, guys, of Foxtoberfest 2021. And I'm cruising. There you can see Jen. 1 second. Yeah, no, we are cruising to the location for Foxtoberfest 2021, and we are going to reveal the dates in this video as well. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering when it was going to be, rightly so. So we're going to get into that here in a minute, but right now, let's go ahead and cruise on over to the new location, show it to you guys, because it's not going to be where it's been the last several years. Yes. If you're local, you know, Charlotte Motor Speedway. Guys, we have arrived. I'm here with Jen from Fox Resto. Jen, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna show you now where the show's gonna be at. See, doesn't it look? No, that's not it. That's not it. Here we go, guys. Check it out. We are at Charlotte Motor Speedway. A couple of nice Foxes there. Jen, you pulled out all the stops this year.
I mean, I cannot think of a better venue for this show.
Yeah.
It is, like, that is it. Like, if you're going to be in Concord and it's car related, like, this is the place to be. So.
And that's a good point. It's still in Concord. It's not even that far from the other Intimidator Stadium where it used to be.
Yeah, absolutely. But obviously the facilities here are going to be amazing. It is a gorgeous venue. We'll have plenty of room for everything. Plenty
of room. Yeah, look, guys, we kind of already showed you this, but this is all Fox parking through here, right?
Yes, exactly. This is where the show will be. Spectator parking will be further away. But this is, if you are in the show, you will be in this lot for Foxtoberfest 2021.
Oh, wow. Jen, this is huge. How many cars, how many Fox bodies do you think this can hold?
So they told us this lot can hold 1,000 cars.
1,000, okay. Guys, we got to get you guys out here this year. We can hold 1,000 cars. I think the record is like, what, 450 cars or something?
Yeah, 467 from Foxtoberfest 2017. So I would love to get to 500, you guys. This is actually the 10th year of Foxtoberfest. We're at the Speedway, like, come on out.
Yeah.
Let's get to 500 Foxes in one show.
Awesome, and it's all gonna be blacktop. I mean, just like we had over at Intimidator Stadium, right?
Yeah.
And do you know where VIP is gonna be at? You're still figuring all that out.
We haven't laid anything out, so sorry that it's been a long time coming for this information, but we hope that it was worth the wait for you guys, because it certainly is for us.
Yeah, I just wanted to add to that, like, guys, they're changing venues, so that's why it took so long to, you know, you were trying to basically get this Charlotte Motor Speedway.
Yeah, so we were holding out for this, and we got it, so it was worth the wait. Sorry it took so long, but we're super excited to be here. We think it's going to be just an amazing.
Oh, it's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. So rather than make them wait any longer, what are the actual dates for Foxtoberfest this year?
The dates for Foxtoberfest this year are October 26th through the 30th. So actual show day is October 30th. We'll have lots of other events.
That's the Saturday, right?
Yeah, big show day, Saturday, October 30th.
Okay, and like you said, lots of events. Yeah, normally it's not that many days, so I guess there's something going on, what, a Wednesday now, right?
Yeah, so we added like a meet and greet on Wednesday. More information to come on all of the activities. We don't have all of that set yet, but more information to come.
Okay, yeah, follow all their social media. You got Facebook, Instagram, site foxresto.com. Follow all that, and also stay tuned to the channel. We'll show it here as well.
Yeah.
But that's awesome. We have a date. We have an awesome venue. What do you say we kind of give them the lay of the parking lot? Just how big is it? All right, let's jump in the car, guys. We're gonna show you.
Yeah.
All right, Jen and I are about to take you around the whole lot to give you a sense of how big it is. But in case you don't know what we're talking about, what Foxtoberfest is, I've got some footage that we can show you from Foxtoberfest 2019, but also a recent show we did up in Pennsylvania, right?
Yeah.
Chocolate Fox. Yeah, so give you a little taste of what to expect. I'll throw that in and then we'll go ahead and show you guys around the course. Okay, so starting out at this end, will you park cars over here too, Jen, you think?
Yeah, probably.
This far? Yeah, right?
If we meet 500,
Yeah.
yes, we will.
Yeah, well, we go for 1,000. Let's get 1,000.
Hell
1,000. So, okay. Well, actually, I think we can go around the sign here.
Yeah.
We're not going to go on the road, don't worry, guys. Okay, so just take a look here. Wow. This is expansive. So that's where we just were. You see Peaches over there starting out, and this might be parking here too. I don't know. We're still figuring stuff out. I know.
Right, yeah. So on this main field, we'll have the swap meet, which is like pretty expansive for Foxtoberfest. We'll have the vendors out here, all of the show cars, the VIP tent, the VIP section. All of that will be on this.
Yeah, there's no spectator parking through here, right?
Right, yeah, none of this is spectator.
There's going to be a road course, right? Like right around here? No, I'm going to take it easy.
Yeah, well, they actually do have the Ford Performance School here, so if that's something you're interested in, you should look into that.
Yeah, maybe, who knows, maybe they could come in early that week.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, we're going to just one end.
Yeah.
But look at this. Ooh, this might be, got numbers over here. Interesting.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool. All right, so look, take a look back.
Yeah.
That's where we just left from.
Yeah.
Like, you can fit a lot of cars in here, Jen.
Yeah, I know, absolutely. So it's game on. If 500 cars, we have to get there.
We got to get 500 guys. You got to come out, especially if you're local, but even if you're not. If you love Fox bodies, you have to come out. Yes. Right?
Yeah, we get people that come from all over. We
Yeah.
even fly in for the show, so.
Maybe somebody can ship their car and also fly in.
That would be amazing.
Here we go. Oh, we got the restrooms in the middle, actually, which is cool.
That's convenient.
Yeah. And you go all the way over here. We're just going to one corner. I think you're going to have all this space too, right?
Yep, yep.
Let's check this out, guys. Just now getting to the other edge. This is crazy big, Jen. Oh my God.
I know.
1,000 cars, I think easy.
I can't wait to see it full. I cannot wait to see it full of foxes.
Full of Fox bodies? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yep, so we're still got over there. We're like halfway back maybe? Maybe even not.
Yeah.
There's the facilities, and you said you're gonna have the food trucks will all be in here too, right?
Right, okay. Yeah. Speedway will be supplying all of the food. We will have beer at Foxtoberfest.
Yes, Foxtoberfest. Yes. Gotta have beer. I mean, it's Foxtoberfest. Oktoberfest, get it? So you gotta have the beer, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's just a very quick lay of the land. I don't think you're gonna have any problem getting 1,000 cars in here.
I don't think so either. We have plenty of room for everything. Swap meet, vendors, car show. Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna have it all.
All on the blacktop. Yeah.
I know, that's perfect. No grass. I mean, yeah, I mean.
I don't know how we could get any better than that.
I think you've outdone yourself, to be honest.
We've nailed
so
it. Yeah.
You guys help us out by showing up.
Yes, that's all you guys have to do.
Yeah.
Just show up.
That's right.
Yeah.
And we are gonna probably do a VIP giveaway here on the channel,
yes.
right?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
the last VIP spot, we usually do that. We give it away here on the channel. Stay tuned to the channel for that, guys. That'll be details coming on that. But and more details on Foxtoberfest. But there you go. There's the dates. Once again, October 26th.
Yep.
Through the 30th, right?
Yep. And registration opens in August.
Oh yeah, good point. Registration will be opening August, so this video is going up before registration, so don't worry, but be following everybody's social media to find out the exact registration day in August. So.
Yep.
Well, there you have it, guys. All the information. I'm really excited. Jen, are you really excited?
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
We can't wait, because Chocolate Fox was awesome, but this is going to be so much bigger.
I know.
So much bigger.
Yeah, and then for the 10th anniversary, like.
Yes, that's right. You said that.
We started Foxtoberfest with 60 cars. So to be 10 shows in the future and to now be at Charlotte Motor Speedway.
And who knows, maybe you'll get 600.
Yeah.
Then it's like 10 times.
Yeah.
60 to so. Let's go 600 or more, guys, just for them.
Yeah, just for fun.
Cool. Well, that's kind of it for this one. You guys have the dates now, and I can't wait to see all you guys who can make it to Foxtoberfest. It's going to be awesome. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, so you can count on that consistent content every Sunday and Wednesday. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.
We didn't have it at Chocolate Fox,
No.
so anyway, but that was just this year. Why am I talking about that?
That's all right.
Cut all that out.
Okay.
I mean, you can put the beer party.
I'll put the beer party in. We'll check out there.